To redirect HTTP to HTTPS on Godaddy, follow these steps. First, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to the cPanel. In the cPanel, scroll down to the Security section and click on SSL TLS. If you have not already done so, install an SSL certificate on your domain. Once the SSL certificate is installed, click on the SSL TLS status button to verify its installation. After verifying the SSL installation, navigate to the File Manager and look for the htaccess file. If you cannot find the htaccess file, create a new one. Open the htaccess file in the file editor and add the following lines of code to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. The code will look something like this. Rewrite engine on. Rewrite cond %HTTPS off. Rewrite rule %request underscore URI, HTTPS %HTTP underscore host. %request underscore URI. After adding the code, save the changes to the htaccess file. This will redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS. Alternatively, you can also use the Godaddy cPanel to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. To do this, navigate to the Security section and click on the HTTPS redirect button. Select the domain you want to redirect and toggle the switch to enable HTTPS redirect. Another way to redirect HTTP to HTTPS is by using a plugin if you are using a content management system like WordPress. There are several plugins available that can be used to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. It is essential to test the HTTPS redirect after implementing it to ensure it is working correctly. You can test the redirect by typing the HTTP version of your website in a browser and checking if it redirects to the HTTPS version. In conclusion, redirecting HTTP to HTTPS on Godaddy can be done by adding code to the htaccess file or by using the Godaddy cPanel. It is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps.